Hey guys, so we have a 2009 Volkswagen Passat CC here, and this car, I did a full rebuild on this car, but unfortunately after I finished working on it, you can see the car is suffering a significant misfire. I did a lot of work trying to figure out what's going on. I'll show you the engine, how bad these are running. Car is misfiring very hard. I initially inspected, a vacuum leak. I did an inspection on the short-term fuel trims, and was significantly high. It was around 25%. I actually did a smoke test on it, and the smoke test showed no vacuum leaks. Let me just lower the window. So I doubted about the PCV valve, so I changed the PCV valve. It didn't sort out the problem. I also said maybe the injectors are leaking around the seals. I changed all 4 injectors, but then the car started to show like the misfire, the more aggressive misfire, and it started finally showing where is the problem, which is the rear main seal. So